Speaking of social customer engagement, today you talk about the UK bank Metro Bank, whose claim is fans, not customers. Which is its vision?
So Metro Bank is the first new bank in the London market for over 100 years. It was set up around 4 years ago, and it's now around 27 stores, almost 2,000 employees, and about 300,000 new customer accounts in that time. Its vision around customer engagement isn't to drive every customer to engage digitally through the call center, online. They differentiate by seeing a customer face-to-face in what they call their stores. They don't call them their branches, they call them stores because it's more of a retail experience that is appealing. They talk about having a bank where you work and where you live, but they very much look at face-to-face engagement as a way to initially differentiate the level of service that they give versus other banks. So even though Metro Bank's core differentiator is their face-to-face engagement, the experience when you walk into a store, the assessment is about 90% of the interaction still happens online or via the call center. So there's still a significant amount of engagement that happens through digital channels, but what they deliver in that 10% when it's face-to-face engagement is what stands out and is what is uniquely different to Metro than any other UK bank.
How Microsoft supported Metro Bank with its technologies?
So Metro have two platforms. They have a core banking platform and they have what they call a customer platform. So Microsoft have supported Metro with the customer platform. It is an end-to-end solution that encompasses Office 365, CRM Online, but it really enables all interactions with customers, outbound marketing, inbound complaints and calls. Whenever you engage with a customer, it's the Microsoft customer platform that's driving that engagement and that partnership. So the types of technologies that are in there are for collaboration. You see employees communicating with each other through our instant messaging tools like Link. So you can reach out to people who've got the right skills and the right background in the organization. Also, they have a tool set that's called EMEA. So when a complaint is made and a customer calls the bank, they use a tool that enables mass collaboration. So when a phone is answered, they have the power and the insights of the entire network of employees able to respond rather than just one person. And it may be that person's first day in the bank. So they use a lot of collaboration tools from Microsoft to basically get the knowledge of the entire workforce and to deliver an exceptional service with that.
Their model is also based on inclusion, in terms of new fans, but also in terms of the delivery of credit cards. It's very fast.
Yes. So one of the differentiators with their store network is that they're open when it's convenient for customers. So they don't close at times that are relevant for Metro. They stay open when it's more appropriate for their customer base. So they're open early and late in the week, and they're open 7 days a week, even on Sundays. They actually open up 15 minutes before and close 15 minutes after their advertised times, just so they live up to their promise. So the store experience is convenient for customers. It's all about convenience and being able to provide the service that's most relevant to their customer base. So they're open 7 days a week, early and late. But when you go in the store as a prospective customer, if I have my passport and a bill, I can open up an account within 15 minutes and actually walk out of the store with a card, which is pretty incredible, and that's enabled through their core banking platform. But there's also lots and lots of new ideas in the store that encourage people to go in with their families and even with their pets. So they have lollipops for children, they have money counting machines to encourage the family to participate, and they also have a little dog bowl and dog biscuits, so you get the whole family experience when you go into a Metro store.